I usually do my art journaling while I'm doing another project, so there's never been a video to show you until now. Hi, I'm Sherry. I want to welcome you to my studio today. This green paint was from rolling off a brayer. These tissue papers are from cleaning up while I was jelly printing. I love using tissue paper on gel press because it cleans up really good by going down deep into the holes. I have a piece of a silicone cutting mat from the dollar store. You get them 2 for $1 there. I have that cut in half. I keep one with my Bible for journaling and one in my art journal. This is Joss paper. Got it at the Asian market. It's highly flammable. I mean, that's what it's made for. I'll trim what hangs over later. I don't know about y'all, but I love these Fineline bottles. There'll be a link below. You can take them and put whatever you want in it. So I buy my PVA in these huge bottles. Huge, I'm telling you, huge. I think I'm funny. And then I put a little bit in here and seal the other bottles up. I've never used this stamp before. I've never used this ink before. So let's see what happens. Might not be dark enough. God, I hate stamping. I love stamps. Hate stamping. Ooh, that's pretty. This is the first time I've opened my Daniel Smith tubes, so I know you're supposed to do something with them before you start painting with them, but I don't remember what. I think watercolor is my least developed medium. Is that painting medium? I do okay, you know, coloring in like this, but not really. I haven't really studied how to be good at it. I watch videos from watercolor experts, but Also notice that my watercolor is not working that great on top of my earlier mediums. Thanks for watching my video. Please leave any questions or comments you might have, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you'll subscribe.